Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clean your DELONGHI Magnifica S coffee maker. So you know that your espresso maker needs to be cleaned when this light, the red one, is flashing. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, these steps are really well explained in your book, in your instructions. So you need to take out your water tank. When I bought this machine, my machine came with this water filter. So you need to remove your water filter. And I'm gonna rinse this one out as well. So for now, I'm gonna use this solution, this descaling solution. This is what I've got for the moment. You can buy it from different companies. There is also this one from Philips. There is another one from Philips that's made for the DELONGHI company. So I'm using this measuring cup to pour about a cup of this. I think for this one you have to use, I don't even know how many milliliters. You usually have like a scale where you can measure it. About 30 milliliters, I would say. And then I'm gonna fill it with water. So I fill the water tank with water all the way to the top, putting the cap on. And now I'm gonna put it back in the machine. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna press and hold this button for a few seconds, and then you will see that this one started flashing. Now you need to get ready a bowl or a pan, something that your water needs to go. So I'm using this pan for now. Now, what's really important to remember is that you need to complete a full cycle. You need to stay close to the machine because the machine will start and then it will stop and then it will start again. So it will be completing its full cycle, but you need to be around in order to refill the water tank and to empty the water that's being collected. So the water will come through this hole, the milk frother, and through this like regular coffee place. So because I've been using this machine for a few years now, I know that the first time the water will come through the milk frother. So you just press this button, you turn it on to the left, and it will start. Now it's going to come through here. Of course, you can use another cup if you want to, or a different pot to collect the water. Okay, I'm gonna remove this water. There we go. I'm just gonna leave the pot here for now. Now the machine stopped and it will come back again in a few minutes. Don't panic. It's like a 30 minutes, 40 minute cycle. Okay, that was the last part for now, the last cycle. Now you will see that it shows me that the water tank needs more water. So I'm gonna turn this button to the off position. And I'm gonna clean the water tank really well and refill it with some more water. Okay, so there is my water tank. It's nice and clean and filled with water. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put my other pot over here and then I'm gonna turn on this button. Now water is gonna come through here. And this is gonna be like the second part of the cycle. So the cycle is completed now. You will see that this button will flash, this light will flash. So I'm just gonna turn this button off and we're done. I'm just gonna clean the rest of the machine now, meaning the milk frother and the trays. These parts. All right, the machine is clean now. Make sure you also clean the inside and you empty this little tray that also collects some water. Now I refilled my water tank. I put in my water filter. The machine doesn't come with this water filter, so it was optional when we bought the DELONGHI Magnifica S machine. So I do recommend you also buy the filter. So the water tank goes in. I also clean the tray. This is the tray that collects the coffee. This is for the water drippings. So the tray goes in and we're now ready to get a nice warm cup of coffee. Now, this is a tip and the trick that I have learned. Ideally, before you clean the machine, I would advise you to empty the coffee beans. Now, I don't know how to empty the coffee beans tray. So as you can see, there's still lots of coffee beans inside. Now, because the machine uses water when it does the cleaning, some of the coffee beans will become wet. So there is a little bit of moist from the steam coming up here. So what I will do, I'm just gonna take a Chinese chopstick and I will just press the beans so they don't get stuck in the machine. Be gentle. There you go. Please don't use a knife or any other sharp objects because the machine is quite sensitive. Perfect. Now the cap goes on. Let's make some coffee now. There we go, we have the perfect cup of coffee. Now, thank you for watching. Let me know how did you like the video and I'll see you soon. Bye!